A few years ago, before coming to Stevens, I was a little hesitating, a little scared because I thought, oh, maybe grad school will be very different for me. And I was thinking, what if I don't have a lot of friends? After I came to Stevens, I felt that Stevens just feels like a family. There are a lot of international students here, and we're kind of like lifelong friends. I'm currently a catalyst simulation postdoc at Sandbox AQ. I think the Stevens collaborative environment is very helpful for me. During my research, when I was a PhD, I was able to work on projects with different labs at Stevens. I was having opportunities to go for internships outside of academia in the pharma. Stevens really helped me set off my career, and I feel like I was very more ambitious than I was before.